Hi everyone, my name is Eric, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. The Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat is a powerful tower fan and heater combination unit that can be easily customized to suit your home needs. Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble and use the Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. Assembly will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Start by removing all components from the box. Remove all fan components from their packaging. We will start by assembling the base to the base plate. Use the guide markings on the unit to align the base onto the base plate. Twist clockwise to turn into place. You will feel a click when the unit has been correctly aligned. Next, we will assemble the pole to the base. Use the guide markings on the pole and on the base to align them. Place the pole on the base. Twist clockwise to turn it into place. You will feel a click when the unit has been correctly aligned. Next, we will assemble the blades to the pole. Both sides of the pole have clear tape and cardboard inside of them. Remove the tape and cardboard and push the blade into the pole. There are red arrows as guides inside of the pole and on the blades. Use those to line up the blades. Push the blade on until you hear a click. Repeat on either side. After you have assembled the unit, remove all stickers that say "Remove after assembly." Be sure to remove the tape around the base of the unit. Now, you can add the provided AAA batteries into the remote by removing the remote cap and following the diagram inside of the remote. Please pay attention to the direction that the batteries should face. Once batteries have been added, close the unit by sliding the battery cap back onto the remote. It's worth noting that if you bought a replacement remote, you'll need to pair it with your unit. This is not necessary if you are using the remote that came with your unit. However, in the unlikely situation where your remote is not working with the unit, you can try this. To pair a replacement remote, make sure your unit is plugged in but the unit has not been turned on. Press and hold the power button on the unit until it flashes about 5 seconds. Then press fan speed arrow up on the remote. Your replacement remote should now be paired to your unit. When the remote is not in use, you can magnetically attach the remote to the back of the unit to store. To carry the unit, the recommended carrying position is to use the handle on the base while simultaneously supporting the pole. Always unplug the unit before moving it. Do not place your hands near the heating element. You can manually pivot the fan blades by 90 degrees to switch to horizontal coverage. To do this, gently push the fan blade to rotate it. Do not push past the hard stop at 90 degrees. Here is a tip. Try pivoting the unit to get more coverage when using it in front of the bed. You can also tilt each blade to direct airflow when the unit is in fan mode. To do this, gently push the fan blades to the desired direction. Here is a tip. Try tilting the blades in different directions to provide airflow to multiple spaces simultaneously. You can also adjust the angle that the heat comes out by using the vent adjustment louver in the center of the fan. To do this, gently raise or lower the switch on the side of the unit. You are now ready to go with your Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. To learn how to use the fan and heat settings and specialty modes, you can watch the video. Get to know the settings on your Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.